What if your character and my character were aligned so that we raise the quality of life for everyone? What if everyone worked together to make the world a better place? Wouldn't that be a noble objective? Character is the mix of mindset, morality, and behavior that defines us as people. We either build our character by design or we fall into one by default. Now, there are 4 key business character traits or values that will make you and those around you better. The quality of your character is the tide that lifts all boats. Those traits or values are being honest, helpful, hopeful, and humble. Be this person, and you help make the world a better place for you and everyone else. In our increasingly unbelievable AI world, honesty is the very highest form of currency. That transparency and trust are key to credibility. Helpfulness makes best use of your abilities and is the only real goal for lasting success in business or in life. Chasing business for success is like, chasing cats. It runs away just like cats do. But when you help more, business chases you. Hopeful people encourage others to make use of their best talents and make good things happen. Cynicism may be popular these days, but it discourages others and makes life harder for us all. Hopeful people bring the optimism and possibilities that make everyone better. Finally, being humble helps you share your success. It shows others that success isn't magic and that they too can achieve their success by putting in the same effort with the same character. You share the possibility of greatness by not making winning all about you. It's effort with character that makes the difference. So, make the world a better place by being honest, helpful, hopeful, and humble. These are the values that make you someone to copy. God bless. We'll see you again next week.